solving problems involving mixture. So before we start, I would like to highlight that when you are dealing with mixture problem, always remember the idea of part whole. So what do I mean by that? Mixture problem is just this. You have given a part and another part, and then if you are asked to add these two parts for you to have a whole. Alright, so again, that's the concept behind mixture problems. So given this problem, how many gallons to the nearest tenth of cream that is 15% fat must be mixed with milk that is 4% fat to produce 20 gallons of cream that is 5% fat. Now, first thing to remember is what is our whole in this particular problem. So if you're going to read the problem, this is our whole. We are looking for this 20 gallons of cream that is 5% fat. Alright, so we are looking for this solution. So in our illustration, that will be our whole. Alright, that will be our whole. So this is what? This is 5% of 20 gallons. And what will be our parts? Our parts will be what? That is the 15% of what? 15% of, we don't know that. Alright, that's what we are looking for. Plus, another part will be what? Another part will be 4% of, look at this. What is our total volume of the solution? Our total volume of the solution is 20 gallons, right? So if this is X, the remaining part will be what? The remaining part will be 20 minus X. So basically, this will be our setup to solve this problem. Now, by using simple algebra, what we can do is this. We're just going to translate this into equation. So this is now 5%, so 0.05 times 20. This is equal to 0.15 times X plus 0.04 times 20 minus X. Alright, and then we're just going to simplify things out. What is 0.05 times 20? This is just 1, right? So 5% of 20, this is just 1. This is equal to 0.15 X plus, what's 4% of 20? That is just what? That is 0.08, right? Or 0.8, sorry. 0.8, and then minus 0.4 X. And then we just simply combine like terms. So we're gonna do 1 plus, minus 0.8, and then equals, what is 0.15x minus 0.4x? This is just 0.11x. And then simplify further. This is what? This is 0.2 equals 0.11x. And then divide everything by 0.11. Divide everything by 0.11. We will get what? More or less, we're gonna get, more or less, we're gonna get 0.2 divided by 0.011. So more or less, we are getting 1.81. Alright? Since we are asked to find the nearest tenth, 0.08 lang tayo. Alright? So this is just, again, approximately 1.8. Approximately. That will be our X. And that will be our answer. Alright? Because again, on the problem, we are asked to find the gallons of cream that is 15% fat. So again, this is for the cream, right? This part. So this will be our answer for question or problem number 1. Let's have problem number 2. It says, Jake needs 50 ounces of 20% salt solution. He has a 35% salt solution and a 10% salt solution. How many ounces of each must he mix to have what he needs? So basically, we are asked to find how many ounces of 35%, and then how many ounces of of 10% salt solution. Right? So again, by looking at the problem, what is our whole here? Our whole is this, 50% of 50 ounces of 20%. So if we're going to draw our part whole diagram, this is our whole. This is again our whole. This is 50 ounces and times 20%. This is equal to what? Our part, which is just 35% of something, of x, plus another part will be what? 10%. 10% of what? Of this entire ounces, 50, minus x. And again, translate this one into algebra, we will get 0.2 times 0.2 of 50 equals 0.35 x plus, what's 10% of 50? That is just 5, right? So it's 5. So we're gonna get 5 minus 0.1 x. And then we combine like terms. By the way, we need to simplify first. This is at 20% of 50. That is just what? That's 10, right? So this is 10 equals 0.35x plus 5 minus 0.1x. And then we combine like terms. This will give us 10 minus 5 equals, what's 0.35x minus 0.1x? This is just 0.25x. And then this is 5 equals 0.25, 25x. Then divide everything by 0.25. Divide everything by 0.25. What is happening? 0.25. Your x value will be what? This is 50. Alright, this is 20. Right? This is 20. That is 20 equals x. Meaning to say, we will need a 20 ounces of 35 solution, and then the other one will be, we have 50 minus 20, so that is just 50 minus 20 equals 30. So we're gonna need, or we'll be needing 35% of this and 10% of this, right? 10% of that one. So that will be again our answer.